When you find an available physical book in OneSearch, refer to the collection and call number to locate it on the shelf. We can see that this book is in the General Collection and is classified using Library of Congress classification. Take particular note of the call number, as this is how books are organized on the shelf. Click on the Locate button to see where in the library the book is kept. The floor plan will tell you which floor of the library to go to, as well as the location of the particular shelving section you need to find. When you arrive at the right floor, follow the signage to find the correct shelf. Then, use the call number to find the exact location of the book. Books are arranged in alphabetical and numerical order by call number. If you need help finding books in the main library, please feel free to ask at the information desk on level 3.